In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ElevenLabs voice changer. This is a fun and powerful tool that allows you to transform your voice in several creative ways. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, look on the left-hand sidebar menu and you'll see the option for Voice Changer. Click on that. This is where all the magic begins. Now that you're in the Voice Changer section, the next step is to provide the source audio. You have two options here. You can either upload a pre-recorded audio file if you already have something in mind, or for those who want to get a little more hands-on, you can click the record button. This will allow you to capture your voice live through your microphone. If you choose the live recording option, make sure you're in a quiet environment so the background noise doesn't interfere with your audio. Once you have your source audio ready, we move on to the fun part, choosing a target voice. On the right panel of the screen, you'll find a library filled with various AI models. Take your time to browse through them and listen to some samples. This is important because each voice has its unique characteristics. Whether you want to sound like a cartoon character, a celebrity, or even make your voice sound more robotic, there's a wide array of voices to pick from. After selecting the target voice you want to mimic, the next step is to fine-tune the settings. Here you'll see sliders that let you adjust a few critical parameters to get the output just right. First up is stability. This slider controls how consistent the voice stays throughout the audio. If you want a more steady audio, push the slider higher. On the other hand, if you're going for a more dynamic sound with some variance, bring it down a notch. Next is similarity. This aspect is crucial as it determines how closely the final audio will match the target AI voice. If you want your transformed audio to closely resemble the selected voice, you'll want to increase the similarity slider. But if you want to maintain a bit of your original voice, you can tone it down a bit. And finally, we have style exaggeration. This slider allows you to amplify or tone down the unique speech characteristics of the voice style you've chosen. If you feel there are specific traits in the target voice that you really want to highlight, go ahead and increase this slider. If you'd prefer a more subtle approach, slide it down. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, it's time for the final step, generating the audio. Simply hit the Generate button and let the software process your changes. This may take a few moments, but once it's done, you'll have a transformed audio track that sounds just like the voice you've chosen. And there you have it. Using the ElevenLabs voice changer is that simple. Whether it's for fun, creating content, or enhancing your projects, this tool offers endless possibilities. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a